Today I'm going to show you how to add app integration into Apollo account. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Open apollo.io account. Select the left panel here located and click on Admin Settings. And just head over to click on All Settings, and here just scroll down until you found Integrations tab and Connected Integrations. And here you found the list of apps that you can connect to apollo.io account. For example, you want to connect Zoom, click on Connect. And here will be asked to click on Get Started Now, choose Zoom, and click on Next. And here click on Next also. Just leave everything as it is by default, Next, and click on Finish. And this is how successfully created and integrated to our apollo.io account. So you will have a new tab called Conversations where you can view video and get action-packed insights into your Zoom account directly into apollo.io. So this is how to integrate your apps using apollo.io. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.